Hello, everybody. You could call me Hunch, and today I'll be going over stacks. This is Tyrone, and that's Mr. Tubbs. Anyway, I just want to go over the chart, what I think about it, my general thoughts, and what's going to happen, right? Before I do that, I just want to say this is Giga Chad. It's kind of a meme for a Bitcoin or Bitcoin in general or Michael Saylor or something like that. But I regret putting this picture because, honestly, this guy is the new Giga Chad, all right? So now that I said that, let's get out of the way. And thanks to, I think, my parents who got me this new gaming chair, computer chair. Anyway, let's dive on into the charts. This is the Stacks Bitcoin chart, right? And this is looking pretty good to me, right? We got this line of resistance here. If it can break that, we're in a good position. I want to note a few things, right? Okay, so some would say this is like a cup and handle, right? Goes down the channel a little bit and then it pops. That tends to be a bullish pattern, right? That's all you really need to know. I'm not going to inundate you with crud, okay? Here is the Stacks USD chart, right? And this has a similar line of resistance, right? And get off of that, thank you. And then, you know, you could kind of see a cup and handle here again, right? You know, it's not guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. That's just what I see. Some would say this is a reverse head and shoulders, which is also a bullish pattern. Nice little happy smiley face, you know. Ooh, so cute. Anyway, reverse head and shoulders tends to be bullish, right? And just for a quick reference, if we had a head and shoulders, right, it would look something like this, you know, and then it would be break to the downside, okay? I started to go up, but it would kind of look like that, right? In there, and then break to the downside. But to me, that looks like a reverse head and shoulders, if anything, or a cup and handle formation, right? And then if you look here, this is beautiful because it broke this big downtrend, right? And then it super popped. Now it's hitting resistance, and to me, it's only hitting resistance because Bitcoin can't pop. Remember, I think Stacks is going to go if Bitcoin can go, right? If Bitcoin has been struggling. I think it's getting enough momentum to get back up there, but a lot of people are trading altcoins and mostly to their own demise based on statistics, right? Everyone thinks they're getting rich, right? They make $100 one trade and then they lose, you know, 300 the next trade. But let's not talk about that because I know you're a noob and you just won't admit it. Anyway, if you look at Stacks, I think this is good. $2.4 billion market cap. If you look at all the other L1s, I mean, even Matic, which to me is like an L1 more than an L2, 18 billion, that's been on fire. Right, volume is looking good to me, looking healthy, and it's just, you can even see the little cup and handle right here. I mean, it's pretty crazy. Here's the chart. Stacks is doing good. It's got a good founder. I mean, it's gaining momentum on Twitter. People have .btc addresses. I think this is a sound bet. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but you've really got to be not thinking clearly if you think this is a bad bet. I mean, leave comments below if you think it's a bad bet. But honestly, if you're patient with these investments I'm telling you about, none of them have been doing bad. Matic. I mean, I told you about Arcadico, but I didn't really do a chart. I mean, none of the Bitcoin, all these investments I tell you, and I'm not trying to toot my own horn, and I'm only saying this because I'm not like a pump and dumper like most YouTubers. If you can just hold on to these investments, you know, for the long run or until it pops and then sell out, you'll be solid. Stop whining about it. You can call me Hunch.